Today we are going to start here concept of elasticity of demand, its meaning and its types. Okay, so here as you can see the meaning of this elasticity of demand, it refers to the percentage change in quantity demanded for a commodity with respect to percentage change in any of the factors affecting demand for that commodity. Okay, so any of the factors, that simply means what? There can be various factors which are affecting the demand, like price of related goods, income of the consumer. Okay, so this elasticity of demand, it defines that if there will be change in any of these factors, let it be income of the consumer, okay, then how much there will be change in demand for that particular commodity. Okay, this is what? This is elasticity of demand. Clear? Next is price elasticity of demand. Okay, so price elasticity of demand, as you can see here, that this is the degree of responsiveness of demand for a commodity with reference to change in the price of that particular commodity. Okay, that means it shows that if there will be changes in price of, let it be commodity X, okay, then how much there will be change in demand for that commodity due to change in this one, that is change in price of that particular commodity. Okay, this is what? Price elasticity of demand. Now it establishes a quantitative relationship between quantity demanded of a commodity and its price while other factors remains constant. Here, higher the numerical value of elasticity, larger is the effect of a price change on the quantity demanded. Okay, now you can see this example here, that if prices of two commodities, let it be X and Y, rises by 10%, that means this 10% is what? Price of the commodity, and their demand falls by 20% and X%. This 20%, this is demand for commodity X, and this 5%, this is demand for commodity Y. Okay, now if means you can see here that change in price of both the commodities, this is same, that is both are increasing by 10%. Prices of both the commodities, they are increasing by 10%, but their demand for commodity X is falling more than the demand for commodity Y. That means we can say here that this commodity, that means commodity X, this is more elastic than, this is more elastic than this commodity, that is commodity Y. Clear? Next is percentage method. See, there are different methods for measuring price elasticity of demand. We have to discuss here percentage method. Okay, so this method, it was introduced by Professor Marshall, and this method, it is also known as proportionate method. Okay, according to this method, the elasticity, it can be measured as the ratio of percentage change in the quantity demanded to the percentage change in price of that commodity. Clear? So you can see here formula, that is elasticity of demand, it is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price, where percentage change in quantity demanded, you can see that it can be calculated like this, like change in quantity, that is delta Q upon initial quantity, that means Q multiplied by 100, since we are taking this value in percentage. Okay, change in quantity, it can be calculated as Q1 minus Q, where this Q1, this is new quantity, and Q is the initial quantity. Okay, in the very same manner, this percentage change in price can also be calculated, and change in price can also be calculated here. Okay, when we will put all the values here, then we will get this formula. Okay, so you can see here that elasticity of demand, this is elasticity of demand. When we will put all the values as we have seen earlier, then we will get this one as this term. This is this shows what? Percentage change in quantity demanded, that is delta Q upon Q multiplied by 100, and the denominator, this is showing what? Percentage change in price of that commodity. Okay, here this 100 and this 100 will be cancelled out, so we will get this one. Okay, when we will simplify it, then we will get this formula here. Okay, so this is the formula of elasticity of demand, or we can say price elasticity of demand. Okay, under percentage method, this formula is used. Okay, next you can see here, see all these what QE denotes what? Initial quantity demanded. Q1 new quantity demanded, delta Q change in quantity demanded, P is initial price, delta P is change in price, P1 is new price. We have discussed all these things earlier. Okay, now this is one question related to this method, that is percentage method, and let's solve this question here. Okay, so here you can see that all these values are given here. First of all, you will find out here delta Q and delta P. Okay, so delta Q, it is equal to Q1 minus Q, which is equal to 5 minus 4. So here delta Q, it is equal to 1. Okay, in the very same manner you will calculate here delta P. So delta P, it is equal to P1 minus P, which is equal to 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is how you will calculate here delta Q and delta P. This is delta Q. Okay, we have calculated here delta Q and delta P. Clear? Okay, after this you will put all the values in the formula. First of all, you will write here formula. Elasticity of demand, it is equal to P by Q into delta Q upon delta P. Okay, so we will put all the values here. Okay, here P, it is equal to 10, Q, it is equal to 4, then delta Q 1, and delta P, it is equal to minus 2. Okay, we will get here, when we will divide it, then it will be minus 125. Okay, here this minus is used to be means we will ignore this minus. Okay, we will ignore this value. Okay, so here elasticity of demand, it is equal to 1.25. Okay, this is the value of elasticity of demand. Okay, here we take only numerical, or we can say absolute values taken here. Okay.